Hola amigos, me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Bienvenidos al canal, welcome to my channel. Today I bring you another beginner series video, and this video is about, as you would have probably guessed by the title, 50 verbs in Spanish. Very basic vocabulary. I will just explain you how to use this video and then we will go ahead. In this video, you will not see my face. I have put the Spanish word, the English word, and a video, so if you're a visual learner, this is certainly the video for you. The way to use this video is I will say the Spanish word, then the English translation to it, and then I'll repeat the Spanish word, which is your turn to get some practice in, and particularly to practice your pronunciation. This is a great tool to practice pronunciation, and you can repeat the video as many times as you need to perfect your pronunciation. This is how I learn to speak English in the beginning, so I know it works. And if you don't think I have a Spanish accent, here's why. So practice makes perfect. So you will hear the Spanish word, the English word, then a Spanish word, which is your chance to repeat, as I said before. There are 50 and it takes only 5 minutes. So, vamos!
50 verbos en español. 50 verbs in Spanish. Ir. To go. Ir. Andar. To walk. Andar. Pensar. To think. Pensar. Comer. To eat. Comer. Cocinar. To cook. Cocinar. Recoger. To tidy. Recoger. Limpiar. To clean. Limpiar. Colaborar. To collaborate. Colaborar. Nadar. To swim. Nadar. Correr. To run. Correr. Relajarse. To relax. Relajarse. Disfrutar. To enjoy. Disfrutar. Trabajar. To work. Trabajar. Descubrir. To discover. Descubrir. Viajar. To travel. Viajar. Llegar. To arrive. Llegar. Reunirse. To meet. Reunirse. Planchar. To earn. Planchar. Malgastar. To waste. Malgastar. Creer. To believe. Creer. Leer. To read. Leer. Estudiar. To study. Estudiar. Aprender. To learn. Aprender. Pedir. To order. Pedir. Volver. To return. Volver. Conducir. To drive. Conducir. Ganar. To win. Ganar. Perder. To lose. Perder. Hablar. To speak. Hablar. Contar. To count. Contar. Entrenar. To train. Entrenar. Entender. to understand. Entender. Dormir, to sleep. Dormir. Construir, to build. Construir. Enviar, to send. Enviar. Empezar, to start. Empezar. Dar, to give. Dar. Crecer, to grow up. Crecer. Elegir, to choose. Elegir. Mover, to move. Mover. Jugar, to play. Jugar. Encontrar, to find. Encontrar. Reír, to laugh. Reír. Llorar, to cry. Llorar. Llover, to rain. Llover. Oler, to smell. Oler. Pagar, to pay. Pagar. Tener, to have. Tener. Sentir, to feel. Sentir.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up or comment. I would love to hear if you have any suggestions for the video, anything that you would like me to cover, maybe perhaps some intermediate or advanced classes, or maybe just a full video speaking Spanish, maybe a vlog. Just let me know in the comments and I will work on it. If you're shy, there are other ways to contact me on Instagram, private DMs, or on my email, which are all in the description down below. Nos vemos en el siguiente video. Adiós!